Hello, my lovelies. How are you? It's been a while since I made my last video. So today is the 3rd of October and I went to pick some blackberries. So I'm gonna make blackberry jam. So I show you, I picked a few. So these are the ones I picked. So they are the 272 grams of blackberries. So I'm gonna make some jam. So you need the equivalents of the blackberries, the same of sugar. Okay, so, and then you also need a lemon and a pot. So I'm gonna show you how to make it, okay? So today I went to the national park and there were so many blackberries there. If I would have had enough time, I would have picked a few more. So I only got 275 grams of blackberries. So you need the equivalent of the blackberries, the same amount of sugar and just one lemon, okay? So I'm going to show you. So we need a pot. So we're just going to put it on and we're going to put the blackberries in there and including the sugar. So everything goes into a pot, okay? Including the sugar and the lemon. And we're just going to stir that for about 15 minutes. And wait until it dissolves very, very gently. So the sugar needs to fully dissolve and you need to stir it constantly until that has happened. And also you need to bring it to a boil. So just keep on stirring, don't let it sit, okay, until it starts boiling. Now the blackberries have come to a boil now, so we're gonna take it off the heat and we're gonna let it cool. Because the sugar has completely dissolved now, so that's all we wanted to do. And as you can see, there's still plenty of fruit in there, which is great for our jam. I obviously didn't pick enough to make more than one jar or maybe 1.5, but it's plenty for me. There's plenty in the park. So we're gonna take it off and we're gonna let it cool, which is gonna take a while. So our jam has cooled down a little bit, but it is still hot, but that's okay. I already prepared 2 glasses with the seal on it. And I also have a little spoon because we need to make sure that there's no air left in the glasses. So I also put on a pot with boiling water. So what am I going to do first? Because what we don't want to do is put a hot liquid into a cold glass. So I'm going to put these into the water first of all in order to heat them up. So they're not completely cold. I'm not sure if I'm going to use both of them. I probably don't have enough for both of them. For a few minutes, same with the lids, okay. I'm going to put them in. I do have a little tongue somewhere in order to take them out again, so I had them in for a few minutes, so I am going to take them out, okay. And I'm going to place them over here. I should have really used a paper towel, but that's okay. And with the ladle, I'm going to fill the jam into the jars. So I filled my 2 little jars with the jam now, and with the spoon, because I don't have any other tool, I'm just going to go around the sides just to make sure that there's no air left in the jar. And then I'm just going to pop the lids back on. Now I pop the lids back on, okay, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them back into the water and bring the water to boil. Once the water is boiling, we're going to take the jars out and going to let them cool, and I'll probably do that overnight, and they should be actually sealed now. This is what the blackberry jam looks like when it's finished and sealed. So this was it for me today for making blackberry jam. I hope you really enjoyed it and hopefully you can try that at home as well. So I will see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.